Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This will be part 2 on the 2003 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson edition from Andrew Manley. He is from Virginia. He approved the repairs and everything is ready to go. All right, so let me take you over to the actual screen recording. So we're going to, move you there so you can see I even put his name on the cover. So I have everything ready to go. Let me turn that lamp off. Because otherwise you guys will not be able to see anything. We already saw in the first video. For those that have not seen the first video, I'm going to put the link on the description of this one, so you can go and see the other video where I do all the connections and tests of the cluster and so on, and do the programming of this cluster. That's my cluster, my keys. All right, so but let me take you over to the screen, which is the most important part right now. This is a test for him. This is it's going to be a very short video. So I'm going to turn the ignition on and then start, running the computer. I need to put this onto 500 RPMs. Before this computer at 500 RPMs or so, it was going to 500 and 0, and then going down to 200 RPMs, very uneven, very impossible to start. As you see here right now, we have the upper right corner or the upper side of that diagram is the actual RPMs. The left side is the battery. Disregard that, is going from 12.5 to 12.4. Very common on the scanner. It's only 100 millivolts of difference. The engine is running, right? So right now I got coils and injectors and everything working 100%. So I'm going to turn this off 1 second, and I'm going to take you over to the scanner so we can go and see that this is indeed connected to his vehicle. So I'm going to disconnect. Again, this is a test for the customer very quickly. So this is the procedure that I run for all the computers that I come here. I record a video usually before and after for most of the repairs. I would probably say almost 100%, 99%. All right, so Andres, this is your big number KC11640. So that's automatic ID. And then I'm going to enter for this time the instrument cluster, but let's go into the anti-theft. So let me go into data display, and we're going to see how many keys are installed or recorded into the instrument cluster that I have here. So it says master key present, yes. Path type is coded. PCM verified, yes. This is very important. That means the parameter reset was done, the keys were learned, because in order to run this computer with this, I have to do a parameter reset on the instrument cluster, nothing to do with the computer. So this will still be a plug and play for him with his keys, and his instrument cluster will not affect anything whatsoever. I just want to show you that we do indeed have everything ready to go. All right, so let's go back to the engine computer. Let's go back to the same menu that I have, which is data display. I'm going to enter on drivability, and I'm going to select just the RPM and the battery voltage, the same way that I have it before. Looking at the square box in there, I'm not sure what that is. I hope that is not in the screen of you guys, but well, it's not so bad either way. All right, so in here I do a custom selection. I will deselect all and just select the RPMs and the battery voltage. I will graph this. And I'm going to do the same thing I did in the first video, where I go 1 volt up, 1 volt down, another volt down, and another volt up. So we can see that this is live data. The scanner is reading my changes on my power supply, and the computer is the one that's sending that information over to the scanner. The scanner is also connected to battery, but remember, we're reading right now battery voltage in the computer. All right, so let's do the same thing. I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to start the computer, get it down to around, 450. I can even, if I can, keep it at 450, which was the magical number that was up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. I mean, incredibly. It was like, definitely this car was not able to run. And I guarantee you, your car will be now fully fixed. I have 100% success rate on the Ford Lightning for Harley Davidson. I'm the expert you need to repair your computers. 100% satisfaction guarantee, and it comes with 1 year warranty, unlimited mileage. All right, so this is Mike Salazar Diagnostics. Again, if you have any other computers or any computer that you need to send to repair, just visit my website, MikeSalazarDiagnostics.com. My name is spelled M-A-I-C, and then you can contact me. This white box in the bottom left is a form that you can click in there that will download a Word document that you need to fill and sign. And then also you can have here that black box as click here to email me. That will open your email browser. And then you have a shipping address in here. On the form that you download, it has a shipping address and everything. So you don't need to really save any of that. You have my email, my telephone number. Everything is on the Word document. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you so much for visiting the channel. Let me just get into the main screen. Thank you so much for visiting the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. I will keep just, running this computer for long. I usually keep it running for an hour or so just to make sure everything is fine. But I know it's fine. I replace the analog to digital converter and repair and replace all the major components. I do have the same conformal coating as the dealer has. So this is one thing that I do with my repairs. As when it's done and somebody comes and tries to see what I did, they will not find out because it is like factory. I clean the board, clean everything really good internally. If it's dirty outside, I do apply something just to make it look nice and clean. I don't sandblast no modules. This is something that other repair facilities do, is sandblast a used module and send you one with like a paint and stuff like that, and they have no nothing. If some actually scammers are actually removing the components or opening the computers, kind of fixing it so you can at least see communication, and then they're not really repairing anything. They just it's a scam. So be careful when you go online and where you send your computers, because there is a lot of companies. No company in the United States, I'm not even sure if it's in the world, that does what I do, which is recording the before and after, where you can see your computer. And one thing that I want to show, since I have not done this, let me take you over to this view. Let me zoom in, because I want to show you the numbers on the computer. Let me just get in there. And I'm going to read this really quickly, because this is very important. So this is EK02, that's the tier tag number, and the part number on his computer is 2C682 Charlie 6A as an apple, then dash 12A650 dash AC, and that is a very unique number for the Ford Lightnings and for Harley Davidson. Again, just to show you that everything is still, I'm not sure why it's nothing shown in there, but I have the scanner here where you can see, and also the full probe, that everything is still looking beautiful. That signal, that RPM signal, is now present perfectly. Another thing that I want to show for him as well is that indeed this, the instrument cluster can read, I need to leave this a little. Yeah, so you can see how nice and steady the needle in the RPM is now. Before it was like, even when I was injecting 500 RPM, this was like barely in 200. So it wasn't starting, not at all. So go and watch the first video. You will see what I'm talking about. It's a little longer. You can skip. Eventually, YouTube will do that into titles. So you can select areas of diagnostic and so on, that it's just uploaded today too. So most likely it's not done yet. And also YouTube is now, I'm not sure if it's for the entire world or just for the Americas, that is now letting you select the audio, so you can hear me in Spanish, in English, in Chinese, and Japanese, in Italian, and French, and Germany. It's funny for me to hear myself speaking another language. All right, guys, thank you so much. See you next time. Andrea, thank you so much for trusting Mike Salazar Diagnostics. See you next time. Bye-bye.